refreshment after that service, and see the view, guys. See the view. It's raining. Even out. हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। और एक नए वीडियो को आप सभी को स्वागत करते हैं। आज संडे, तो मैं अभी तैयार कर रहा हूँ चर्च जाने के लिए। आज सुबह से बारिश आया था, तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा उठने के लिए लेट हुआ। तो अभी मैं चर्च जाने के लिए रेडी कर रहा हूँ हॉस्टल से। तो इतना दूर नहीं है हमारा चर्च। तो आज का वीडियो में आप लोगों का दिखाने के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ चर्च का सर्विस कैसा होता है। उसके बाद आज है बारिश का दिन, तो वो सब देखने के लिए देखते रहना लास्ट तक। लेट मी शो यू आवर हॉस्टल टूर। ओके, it's raining from the morning. I see our hostel tour. It's behind of the hostel, and over there road, and it's raining, full of cloud now. You can see this one is the guy who never do anything in the Sunday, just sleeping. And here is another one, just watching. Sollte gerade nehmen. Komm dann. No? Needs me to walk to our church. You just see the AIZAWL view. Now I'm heading towards Charcot. This one is Jan Marie traffic. Some people they came out. It's raining, and in front of is our school, Swangwana College. Here there is a two-way. You can go through down, up, also. I will go through up to go Jarkot. From morning, it's raining. Even now, almost 12. It's not stopped. It's still raining. So I almost reached to the destination. In AIZAWL, all the houses are attached each other in hilly areas. There will so many rocks. So nice. So I almost reached. It's not far more. Step. And this one is TBS in mizoram, board of secondary. It's clean, man. Just see. Everything is clean. Side by the road. You will not even find one wrappers. And in Sunday, all the shops are closed. People are going to church, not laundry here and there. It's so unique, man, guys. So unique. Here is Mizoram State Museum in front of me. There is one more big Presbyterian church, and from here it came out. Today why is that? स्पोर्ट्स गया हमारा क्लास में जारकोट, तो देखते रहना क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है। बस सब आप लोगों को देखेंगे और एक्सप्लोर करके भी देखेंगे। Refreshment after church service and see the view, guys. See the view. Over there, church is there. On this side, enjoying. See, guys, in the right side, what is that? Full of flowers as well as cleanliness maintained. So clean. What to do? People's are so clean. So I'm going to explore rainy day in AIZAWL city. Stay tuned. Really nice, man, guys. Raining day to explore AIZAWL city. So stay tuned till the videos. I am almost going to reach in the main road. So after that I will go to my hostel directly. Here in the sitting set there is a light. You can read some of the Bibles as well as some of the history books they keep here. So I was in the main point now, Treasury Square, that side, and then here this one is Darkot, and then I'm going towards St. Mary, my hostel. This one is the main road. Everything is closed in Sunday from off. So American tourister for the sites, restaurants, shops, hotel. So no one here is open. And in the beside there is for public walking stairs, cleanliness. Hotel Sanjia. Sanjia. Only some of the taxi you see. Huge building. Big. This one is the Grand Hotel. Now it's desert. All buildings that Sunday Central explore. Almost tourists to the hostel. Car is common in Niger City. Beside the road, there is more the public walk. Step are made. So I almost reached to the hostel. The left side is my hostel way. So if possible, I will continue the video in evening. So stay tuned. It's for food. What to say? Boiled, fried, and one more is there. You can see onion mixed with chili. So stay tuned. This side also what to do more. So nice. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.